Hello there, this is Andre Knoll. Together with Jaya Shotkan, we have created this website for an assignment for the Hague University of Applied Sciences. It is for the subject of e-business, for teachers Miss Moore and Miss Veldman. This is our homepage with our logo, our company name Globe Seeds. If you click on the logo or on Globe Seeds, you go to the homepage, which can be directed from any page. Our slogan, fresh and organic, Globe Seeds. Going through our website homepage, we show what we can offer, some more information, and why everyone should choose us. With some happy customers. Here you can share our website or leave a reply. Now, moving on to the menu, we have fruits and vegetables, and here is clearly stated that this website is an assignment. This will be clearly stated on every page, as you will see. This is an overview. It's a short page, straight to the point. You can press on any of these to go straight to the product. They all look the same. I will just show you one of them. As you can see, clearly stated, it's an assignment, picture, price, information, where it comes from, the origin, and care information. Now, why is it on I'm so sorry about that. Oh my god, this is not good. You can go to tropical plants. It's the same thing. And herbs. Same thing with the same concept. And then you have the About Us. And Contact. Thank you.